Welcome to HVS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating energy efficient localization and tracking of mobile devices in wireless sensor networks. So here we have the two sections. This is the receiver section, and here we are interfacing the transmitter section with the CC2530 along with MEM sensor and a temperature sensor. These two sensors will get the parameters of temperature and the inclination of the module. So whenever this module is inclined or bending or falling, so it will give the information through this wireless module to the receiver section. So here also we are using Arduino Uno board interface with 2530 and a 16x2 LCD. So coming to the transmitter section, here we are interface the MEM sensor to A1 and A2 pins, and LM35 interface to the A0 pin, and this is the track PCB, nothing but as a breadboard connection. So this main purpose of this board is we need a 5-volt supply to these sensors and as well as this wireless module. So in order to get the 5-volt supply parallelly, we are using this. So once we get the 5-volt supply here, in parallelly in every section we get the 5-volt supply. So and coming to this CC2530 interface to the 8 and 9 pins of the Arduino Uno board, and from here we are giving the 5-volt supply to this board, and from here only we are giving the 5-volt power supply parallelly to remaining 3 different modules. So this main application is in order to find the location of this transmitter, the distance between these two. So before switching on the kit, we need to place around of 1 meter of distance or half meter of distance, then to get the proper outputs. And coming to this receiver section, we interface the LCD module to pin number 2 to 7 pin, and that is register selection and enable and D4 to D7 data bits. Same receiver interface to the 8 and 9 pins of the Arduino Uno. So we have the one power supply for the Arduino, and this is the another power supply for the transmitter section. So let us see the demonstration. So when you switch on the kit, the welcome message will be displayed on the LCD, and when you switch on the transmitter, so it will start sending the data, so temperature and the distance of in centimeters. The temperature is 29.5. It will varies slightly. Okay, and here the power indication on both boards, and here the light blinking rate is indicating as a receiving the data from this transmitter section. So here also you can see the transmitting of blinking LED. So whenever the inclination is bending is occurred, so you can observe the LCD, the falling detected. So here I am bending the section. So as well as you can increase the temperature also using a lighter. So you can see the temperature increases. So whenever it crosses the 60 degrees centigrade, then automatically high temperature data will be displayed on the LCD. Thank you for watching demo.